Welcome to our journey through the most scenic train rides in the world. Prepare to be amazed by the breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences these routes offer. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the rugged beauty of the Canadian Rockies, we'll traverse continents and witness the awe-inspiring power of nature. Join us as we embark on a visual feast where the rhythmic sway of the carriages becomes a lullaby and the world outside transforms into an ever-changing canvas of beauty. We'll encounter charming villages nestled amidst rolling hills, traverse dizzying viaducts spanning deep gorges, and skirt along the shores of crystal-clear lakes reflecting the sky. So, sit back, relax, and let the rhythmic clatter of the rails transport you to some of the most remarkable corners of our planet. Our journey begins high in the Swiss Alps aboard the Glacier Express, often hailed as one of the slowest express trains in the world. But do not mistake its leisurely pace for a lack of excitement. This iconic train ride is a testament to the meticulous engineering prowess that allows us to traverse some of the most challenging terrains on Earth. We begin in the charming town of Zermatt, home to the iconic Matterhorn, its peak piercing the sky like a jagged tooth. As we leave the valley floor, the train begins its ascent, winding its way through tunnels carved into the mountainsides and across towering viaducts that seem to hang precariously over deep gorges. The landscape unfolds before us like a tapestry, woven with emerald green meadows, dotted with quaint wooden chalets, their roofs laden with the weight of freshly fallen snow. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and the faint sound of cowbells echoing from the pastures below. We snake our way through the Oberalp Pass, the highest point on our journey, reaching an altitude of over 6,700 feet. Here, the landscape transforms into a high alpine wonderland, a symphony in shades of white and grey, where snow-capped peaks pierce the clouds and glaciers, remnants of the last ice age, cling to the mountainside. Our descent takes us through the Rhine Gorge, often referred to as the Swiss Grand Canyon. Here, the train hugs the contours of the cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the turquoise waters of the Rhine River far below, its surface a mirror reflecting the azure sky. As we approach our destination, the picturesque town of St. Moritz, the sun begins its descent, casting a warm golden glow on the surrounding peaks. The Glacier Express has lived up to its reputation, leaving us with a profound appreciation for the beauty and grandeur of the Swiss Alps. Our journey now takes us across the Atlantic to the rugged wilderness of Western Canada, where the Rocky Mountains rise from the earth like the backs of slumbering giants. Here we embark on the Rocky Mountaineer, a train journey renowned for its luxurious accommodations and unparalleled views of the Canadian Rockies. Our adventure begins amidst the bustling metropolis of Vancouver, but soon the urban sprawl gives way to dense forests of towering Douglas fir and western red cedar. The air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, a welcome change from the city's hustle and bustle. As we venture deeper into the heart of the Canadian Rockies, the landscape transforms dramatically. Towering peaks, their summits capped with snow and ice, pierce the clouds, while cascading waterfalls thunder down their sides, feeding into glacial-fed rivers that snake their way through the valleys below. We traverse the spiral tunnels, a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of nature's formidable challenges. The train loops back on itself twice inside the mountain, gaining elevation gradually to overcome the steep grade, offering passengers ever-changing perspectives of the majestic Kicking Horse Valley below. The train hugs the contours of mountainsides, offering glimpses of emerald green lakes, their surfaces like mirrors reflecting the towering peaks above. We pass through Yoho National Park, its name derived from a Cree word expressing awe and wonder, a sentiment shared by all who witness its pristine beauty. Keep a watchful eye out for the diverse wildlife that call this region home. Majestic elk graze in the meadows, while black bears forage for berries in the undergrowth. If we are fortunate, we might even catch a glimpse of a grizzly bear, a true symbol of the wild beauty of this region. As our journey on the Rocky Mountaineer comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the raw power and majesty of the Canadian Rockies, a landscape that has captivated the hearts and minds of explorers and adventurers for centuries. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We've only just scratched the surface of the world's most scenic train rides, each offering a unique perspective on the beauty and wonder of our planet. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the rugged wilderness of the Canadian Rockies, these train journeys remind us of the power of slow travel, of taking the time to truly appreciate the world around us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring.